欢迎来到下一代领导人项目，我是你们的汉语老师范老师。今天我们学习第2课，我3点多回家。Lesson 2, I will go home later than 3 o'clock. 我们开始吧。首先，我们复习第1课。然后我们会学 Lesson 2, I will go home later than 3 o'clock. 最后我们有2个 new radicals. Let's start it with the first one. Yesterday we learned the auxiliary verb 要. The pattern of this using 要, you will have to put 要 in front of the predicate. And this will show a strong desire or about to do something. For example, 我要吃米饭 I want to eat rice. 我要吃米饭。他要学汉语 He wants to learn Chinese. 他要学汉语。For for yes or no question, you can say 你要去中国吗 or 你要不要去中国 They're both okay. For the negation, because this is a strong desire and you will need 不想 you don't want to. For example, 我不想吃米饭 I don't want to eat rice. 他不想学汉语 He doesn't want to learn Chinese. Very good. 好, if you master this, let's continue. And we also learned the adverb of degree 最. 最 is relatively easy to use, and you put it simply in front of the adjective or modal verb. Let's see an example. 马丁的汉语最好 Martin's Chinese is the best. 我最喜欢吃米饭 I like eat rice the most. Or eating rice is my most favorite food. 好, let's see today's context. I will go home later than 3 o'clock. We will introduce a simple expression of approximate numbers. Let's say some new words. Only 3 of them. First one, 新. 新, that means new. And you can say 新衣服, new clothes. 新书, new books. Next one, it's ta. It's another ta, but this ta means it. And by it, we can refer to all the animals and all the objects which are not human beings. So ta. Last one is 眼睛. 眼睛, that means eyes. So you see the left part, this radical and this radical, we introduced this before, and this is the eye radical. If you saw this radical, that means in a very big chance, the character has something to do with the eyes. 好, let's read these 3 new words one more time. 新, 新, 他, 眼睛, 眼睛. Very good. Now, let's see the expression of approximate numbers like 几 and 多. We started with 几. So 几 can indicating an indefinite number less than 10. For example, 1, 3, 5, followed by a measure word. For example, I want to express a couple of people, several people, but I don't want to say exactly what's the number. So I can just say 几个人, 几个人. Okay, look at there. There's 几个人. There are a couple of people. I can also say couple of books, 几本书, 几本书. Another example, 几个新的椅子, new chairs. 几个新的椅子. Very good. So if the number, this is a number under 10. If number is bigger than 10, and it is separated to 2 different situations. If you plus 几 in front of 10, that makes it 几十. So 几十 like we have 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40 like this. So this 几 is representing those 2, 3, or 4, or 5, whatever the number in front of 10. So for example, 几十个人, it may be 23 person, it may be 43 person. It's just I don't know, but anyways, it's not over 100. So we use this to express the approximate number. Next one, 几十本书, maybe it's a 58, maybe it's a 69. Anyways, it's no bigger than 100. 几十个新的椅子, couple of dozens of new chairs, maybe 72, maybe 92. It's not over 100 because this is a 几十. And if it's more than 10 and then less than 20, you will put a 几 after 10. For example, 十几个人, it could be 13, 14, 15. 二十几本书 could be 21, 25, 29. 十几个新的椅子 can be 19, 13, 15. It's no bigger than 10, bigger than 10 but less than 20. It depends on the numbers in front of 几. 好, let's continue. Say 多. So 多 is another situation. 多 can be used together with the numeral measure word. When the numeral is less than 10, 多 should be put behind the measure word. For example, I want to express more than 3 months. So I will say 3个多月. 3个多月. So because it's more than 3, and this 多 is represent a number, well, more than 3 months, but less than 4 months. 5个多星期, more than 5 weeks, but not enough to 6 weeks. 6年多, because 年 here can be the measure word, so we no longer need the noun. 6年多, more than 6 years, but not reaching to 7 years. Another situation when the 多 is equal to 几 is when the numeral is an integer greater than 10. 多 is put before the measure word. What do I mean? For example, if the number is 10, and I will say 10多个月, this one is equal to 十几个月, which means, more than 10 and less than 20 months. Maybe it's 13 months, 14 months, 19 months. And I can also say 20多个人, more than 20 people. This is the same with the 几. You can also say 20几个人. Last one, 80多岁, more than 80 years old, but no bigger than 90. Did you get this? How? If so, let's continue. Text 1. Martin asked, 我们要不要去买几个新的椅子? 我们 us 要不要 go or not, want or not, 去买 go to buy, couple of new chairs. Are we going to buy a couple of new chairs? 我们要不要去买几个新的椅子? And then Johnny said, 好啊，什么时候去买? Okay, what time go by? 明天下午怎么样? Giving a suggestion. What about tomorrow afternoon? 你明天几点能回来? You tomorrow at what hour can come back? When can you come back tomorrow? 3点多. More than 3 o'clock. Later than 3 o'clock. But won't be more than 4 o'clock. So that's 3点多. Okay, and by saying 3点多, this is normally because it's not big exercise over 3 o'clock. It could be 3:15, 20, but if it's 3:40, it's kind of late. You're gonna use it more close to 4 o'clock to express this way. 好, let's read this paragraph one more time. 我们要不要去买几个新的椅子? 我们要不要去买几个新的椅子? 好啊，什么时候去买? 好啊，什么时候去买？明天下午怎么样？明天下午怎么样？你明天几点能回来？你明天几点能回来？3点多。3点多。很好 ，Let's say another one. Martin with his friend. Martin says, 桌子下面有个猫。This is the existence sentence. Somewhere has something. 桌子下面 under the table have a cat. There's a cat under the table. 那是我的猫，它叫花花。You can either pronounce it to 花花 with the full pronunciation or can put the second 花 as the neutral tone. For example, 它叫花花。So one is 花花, one is 花花. Both okay. That's a name. 那是我的猫，它叫花花。That's my cat. Her name is, its name, we'll use the animal 它. Its name is, 花花, 花 means flower. Its name is a flower. Okay. 她很漂亮。It's very beautiful. Or he's very beautiful. She's very beautiful. 是啊，我觉得她的眼睛最漂亮。I think her eyes is the most beautiful. 我觉得她的眼睛最漂亮。她多大了？ When you use 多大了 is asking for age. How old is he? Or her? Or it? 6个多月 more than 6 months. 6个多月 but less than 7 months. Let's go back and read this one more time. 桌子下面有个猫。桌子下面有个猫。那是我的猫，它叫花花。那是我的猫，它叫花花。它很漂亮。它很漂亮。是啊。是啊。我觉得它的眼睛最漂亮。我觉得她的眼睛最漂亮。她多大了？她多大了？6个多月。6个多月。很好。Now let's see the last part, the 2 new radicals. Okay, so the first one means read as Wang means jade. If a character have this one, you will know this is something made by jade in the very beginning. First example, 球. 球 literally means ball, and in ancient time, it's some round-shaped toy you can play with your hand, and it's made out of the jade. So today, the 球's meaning is expanded. Next one, 现. 现 have 2 meanings. First, it means now, like we learned, 现在. And it also means to show somebody something. So, in ancient time, it means to take out your treasure and show it in front of your guests. Next one, 真 literally means the treasure. 好, and the second row, 足. 足, this one means foot. If you saw this character, it normally have saw this radical, it normally have something to do with the foot. For example, 踢足球的踢. T means to kick. You got to use your foot to kick. 跑 means to run. We will learn this quickly. 跳 means to dance or to jump. So it's all related to the foot. This is today's context, and thank you for listening, and I will see you tomorrow. 明天见!